pon me hard, say she give me pon me hard. Fine girl, I coming on me hard, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me hard. Man, I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me hard. Man, I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I not bad man, they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, Estée Love. Today I actually did this makeup look for you guys. I was so inspired by B. Marie and Makeup by Tiffany J. Oh my gosh, Makeup by Tiffany J is the one that even inspired me of like this head wrap thing. Like, she is so amazing and I'm obsessed with her. So I thought I would come on here and do a makeup look that, you know, a cute makeup look. I'm hella feeling this look, guys. I think it's so gorgeous. I love it so much. So if you love it too, and if you want to know how I created it, then just please continue on watching. So I've already gone ahead and done my eyebrows and as well as primed my eyelids. I'm gonna take my Sephora Pro palette and go in with this color right here as my transition color. Now I'm going to take my colored Raine Queen of Hearts palette, and guys, I'm guilty of using this orange in a lot of my looks, but I love using this as a transition. It makes everything look so flawless. I'm going to take the Empress, this color right here, and use that as my transition color. I'm going to add it to this one right here. So I'm going to take the black in this palette and I'm going to pack it on my eyes, but honestly just around here. Make sure you don't put too much. We're gonna be doing a very dramatic look, so I want to put the black down so it blends in with the next color I'm going to put. Still make sure the transitions are showing though. I'm just placing the color before I go in and blend it. Now taking that orange color again, I'm just going to blend the black and the orange together. Now I'm going to take my purple from this all-star color from my Subculture palette and then pack that on where I put the black. What you want to start to see is like that gradient look, that smoky gradient look, and that's what's going to give you that flawless finish, like that blend. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just blowing it out. It looks crazy, but trust me, you want the top to be very blown out and blended. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut my crease. And to cut my crease, I'm going to go with a really light color. This is actually Porcelain. I'm going to go in with this color because, so I feel like if I go in with Warm Honey or the concealer that I used, it's not going to be light enough. So that's why I'm going to take Porcelain. So this light color is hella runny, guys, and I'm just booking it, so I really wish I had just used my normal concealer, but we can live with it, you know. I might just have to wait until it dries a little before setting it, because the worst thing is for eyeshadow to crease. So yeah, it's really runny, this color. Now, like extremely lightly, I'm gonna take my Sacha Buttercup and literally just pat it in there because I'm not trying to get any creases. So I'm gonna go ahead cut this crease over here, and then I will be right back. Now that I have the crease cut, and I go a lot higher than my actual eyelids. I actually got this from B. Marie because my eyes are so small, you have to go higher to like create a new crease. I'm gonna take the black color and blend the outer corners. Now I'm going to go in with that same purple from the Subculture palette and put it right in there, right next to the black. So what I'm going to get now, I'm going to get this color here in my Sephora Pro palette, and I'm gonna put it all over the crease. But I'm going to avoid kind of in here because we're gonna be putting another color there. So just put it like in here. Now I'm going to take the orange from this palette and put it right here. So since I want to do a glitter cut crease, I don't know what colors I should go in with. These are the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner. I think I am gonna go, should even like mix the two colors. Let's see. I'm gonna go in with the actual gold. I think this will look stunning. So this one is in Crystal Gold, and I'm just gonna put that right here. Guys, I got so carried freaking away with the glitter. It is hella thick, but I mean, it actually doesn't look that bad. I feel like once I have everything, like my lashes and stuff, will look good. So I'm looking at the glitter and I kind of want a little bit more. I'm gonna take this color right here. It's Catcall by Urban Decay. It's their heavy metal glitter and it's like a pink, so it's gonna kind of add that pop that I'm looking for. I'm gonna put it like right in the center. So I like that 1,000 times better. I just felt like I needed to mix a few colors since I wasn't really happy with just the gold. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go smoke out, do a smoky liner, and then I will be right back. I will actually put on my eyelashes too, just to save time, and then I'll come and we'll do the face together. So I've gone ahead and applied the eyelashes, and guys, this look is hella good. Like, I'm shook. The like thick glitter makes look so good because of the eyelashes. I'm currently wearing the Lilly lashes in Mykonos, so I am obsessed with this look. Let's get on to our skin now. What I'm going to start by doing is priming my face. So I've really been in love with the Huda Beauty primer. I get samples because I ain't got no money to buy it, but I really love it. Like, it makes your skin flawless. Like your foundation, I mean, when you apply it flawless. It kind of smells a little funky, but I mean, I don't mind the smell. If you do have more sensitive skin, I don't know if I would really recommend this because the smell is very strong. For my foundation, I'm gonna use my ultimate favorite foundations. Like, the Estée Lauder never does me wrong. I've tried other stuff, and I can honestly say I'm obsessed with the Estée Lauder. So I'm gonna mix these two colors together. Since I'm hella tan, I am gonna take more of the darker color. You know what? Since I am hella tan, I don't even think I need the lighter one, to be honest. Because look already how I thought it'd be too dark, but it's actually not. I might actually have to mix a darker foundation with them. I'm just gonna take the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Mahogany, and I am gonna just mix that a little with the foundation that I have on right now, just so the color can be perfect. I'd actually rather have a darker foundation than a lighter one, because the darker one I can always make it work. A lighter one doesn't look good in pictures, so I prefer it to be a little darker. Now for concealer, I'm just going to get my Warm Honey Concealer by LA Girl and mix it in with Medium Beige. I really like how Medium Beige lightens, gives me like that brightened under eye, so that's what I'm going to do. So now we're going to cream contour our face. I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation in the shade Mahogany. And I am going to actually mix that with a foundation stick by Hourglass. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to bake my setting powder. I'm just going to pat it into my skin. Now what I'm going to get is my contour palette. You guys already know I'm actually obsessed with this palette. To blend everything and to make it look like skin, I'm just going to get my Badescu Aloe and Cucumber and Green Tea Spray. I'm going to spray my face with that, cover my eyes so I don't get anything on there. So what I'm going to do now is just take the colors that I put on top and just put those on the bottom. I really want a blown out bottom today because the look is so dramatic. You want the bottom to be dramatic also. So just to make the eyes look a little more sexy, I'm going to get a black liner by Marc Jacobs. I'm going to just put that on my waterline and I will be right back. So I'm actually going to finish off my face now. I am going to be putting on my blush. You guys already know my favorite blush. I don't even need to tell you. So to add to my blush, I'm just going to get the NARS in Orgasm. This blush is literally my favorite. Can you tell? Now I'm going to get my highlighter in Hustle Baby. I'm actually going to mix the Empress highlighter with this look. Now for my lips today, I'm going to just do my absolutely favorite combo. These three colors right here. These are honestly my favorite lipstick, guys. Like, they're so... it looks so nice. So I will be putting that on, and then the look will be complete.
Move your body for me, think and whine it for me, think so. Come they sing so, whine it for me, think so. I ain't a bad man, I ain't they want to say. She ain't a bad man, they want to fail. Fire can't cool me up on fire. Nobody test me around there.
So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you like this look, and if you gained any tips. And also guys, if you want to request any videos, put them down below and I will look at it, because I want to continue doing more dramatic looks. So if you guys like this one and if you want me to create more, just tell me down below and I will most definitely do that. So have a good day or night, guys, and yeah, bye for now. Bye guys.